Hey everyone, Samantha Pointer Fox here with Samantha Pointer Enterprises. And my NAPO 2022 breakout session is how to choose the right technology stack for your business. With so much technology out there today, it's hard for a business to know if they are choosing the right technology stack for their business. And more importantly, what you do have, are you utilizing it to its fullest potential? So those are the things that I'm going to be answering in my session. I'm going to show you how to identify considerations for your business needs and how processes and procedures play a role in that. I'm going to also show you how to map out a strategy for your automation needs. And hint, hint, you don't start in the technology tool. And we're going to do a hands-on example using my business and my own technology stack. I'll also be taking volunteers if you would like for me to deep dive into your business backend to see an example of a workflow that you can put in place before we even leave the session. So if you're a business owner and you want to get more clarity and have more confidence in choosing the right technology stack for your business backend, then this is the session for you. I hope you'll join me at NAPO 2022.